Work on next year's budget and plan for Penticton is now underway. In this video, we share with you some of the key features of what is being proposed and what it means to you and the community. So what's in the plan? There are more than 50 projects and initiatives that support council's and your priorities. New this year are plans to make our community more safe and resilient, including implementing the Integrated Crisis Response Team, better known as the CAR 40 program, further work on the design of a new community safety building to house RCMP, bylaw, and the fire department, a new director of public safety to advance our public safety framework, upgrades to improve the safety of the Ellis 2 and 4 dams. There are also plans to make our community more vibrant and connected, including upgrading the KVR Trail, installing lighting at Riverside Park, building a new splash pad and playground at Lackawanna Park. This is in addition to the new splash pad at Skaha, which is already in the plan. There are also plans to replace the Kiwanis Park Pier and conduct a feasibility study to determine the number of arenas needed as we look to move the vision for the North Gateway area forward. And there is also a sports and recreational needs assessment proposed to see how trends have changed as we plan for the future. Plans to make our community more livable and accessible include new water fill stations, ongoing improvements to the sidewalk network and traffic calming, energy efficiency upgrades to the community center, an expansion of the wastewater treatment plant, and work to address the need for housing in the community. And in support of the last council priority, organizational excellence, there are plans to improve resiliency of our operations and effectiveness of administration, including a new waste collection contract, expansion of the stormwater pipe at the lane that intersects with Riverside Drive, replacement of the water main and reconstruction of a section of Eckhart Avenue, and finally, a new eScribe system to manage council reports and support convenient access. All of the capital projects just described are funded primarily through grants and reserves, but the operating initiatives in the list are funded mainly through taxes. And in this year's budget, the city is proposing to add $400,000 to fund these initiatives. Further increases are also proposed to address inflation, as well as the $2.4 million remaining of the tax deferral, totaling a proposed increase of 8.7%. So what is the deferral that is the main driver behind this year's proposed increase? Well, in 2022, Council approved increases to RCMP, community safety and bylaw officers, the Penticton Fire Department, and other initiatives, requiring funding of $3.7 million annually. Rather than pass an immediate 10% increase in taxes, the city funded these new costs with grants and draws from the surplus reserve in 2022 and planned to phase in equal increases of $1.23 million over the next 3 years to make up the required funding. The first increase was introduced in 2023, and the city is proposing to address the remaining 2 increases, totaling $2.4 million in 2024. This would result in an 8.7% increase when combined with the impact of inflation and an operational increase, but would eliminate any further increases from the deferral in the future. So what does this mean to you? In 2024, the estimated total monthly increase is $15 per month for residents and $57 per month for businesses. This is in addition to the estimated annual utility rate increases proposed earlier this year. Other communities are facing similar pressures, and despite the increase, our taxes and charges remain competitive. And Penticton continues to have one of the lowest total combined residential taxes and charges in the valley. And now it's over to you. Does this reflect what you said should be the city's priorities in the citizen survey? The city is collecting feedback on the proposed budget through to November 12th, and council will deliberate between November 21st and 23rd. You can view the full documents and share your feedback at shapeyourcitypenticton.ca.